Amser nawr I dyn yr enwell yn yr het ar gyfer y gema yn y gogledd. It's now time to conduct the northern section draw. Unfortunately, Rhyd have pulled out of the competition, so the last remaining ball in this section will be afforded a bye to the first round proper. Over to you, please, Mark. Queen's Park. Against Llandyrnog United. Mochdre Sports. FC Nomads of Connah's Quay. Llangollen Town. Chirk 3As. Pentraeth. Castell Colts. Cefn Albion. Llanarch Penacai. Penrhyn Phoenix. Barmouth and Dyffryn United. Llandudno Junction. Lex Glyndŵr. Brythyn Town. Trearthyr Bay United. Amlwch Town. Penaffordd. Corwen. Penrhyn Deidreth. Abergele. Llanrwst United. And they will be hosting Aberffro. Dyffryn and Llefeil. They'll be at home against Henley. Gwalchmai against Greenfield. Llangefni Town. And they'll be hosting Glantraeth. Prestatyn Sports against Sychdyn. Prostyllen against Brymbo. Llanrug United against Llanberis. And the final ball, as mentioned, who will be afforded a bye to the first round proper because of Rhyd demise, the Harden Rangers. A dyna chi ddiwedd yr enwell yn yr het yn y gogledd, and that concludes the draw for the northern section.